Hey y'all, welcome back to Toya's Garden Haven. I am here in my house starting my 8-week seed. So if you want to see what I'm starting 8 weeks before my last frost date, then make sure you come back. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for coming back to join me on today. Today is, oh my goodness, it is February the 20th. It is a Thursday night. The twins are in bed. My husband is going to work, and I decided to do an 8-week seed starting video. Now, I am going to divide this video into two parts because I have a lot of seeds to start this week. So this week I'm going to be starting tomatoes. I am going to put another pepper plant in because the seeds did not germinate. And then also I'm going to be planting basil. So the pepper that I'm going to be growing, that I'm going to be starting today is this Aji Charpita. And then I'm also going to start basil, as I have already mentioned. And then I am starting this Kelly Green Dwarf tomato, Dwarf Mocha Cherry tomato, Dwarf Sunny Pear tomato, Orange Hat, and Marzano, Amish Paste, Baby Roma, then Aroma VF. This is Isis Candy Cherry, a black cherry, Super Sweet 100, Grandma Oliver's green tomato, the white cheese yellow tomato, and this great white tomato. Yeah, those are all the seeds that I am going to be starting today. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and get this party started because I would like to get in bed here soon. All right. So let's go ahead and pack these cells and get these seeds started. Y'all, so we have gone ahead and gotten all of the dirt, all of the seed starting mix in these cells. So I'm just going to start dropping my tags in the cells, y'all, and this is just so I know which seeds I have already designated is going to go where. This first one that I'm packing is going to have my cherry tomatoes as well as my dwarf style tomatoes. This next section over here is going to have the larger style tomatoes, and this 6-pack of cells will not be full. However, if something does not germinate, then I will have the option to restart something. Alrighty, y'all. Everything looks messy right now, but this little apparatus comes in really handy because all I need to do is dump it in here, and you can easily wipe this off with some wipes or something of that nature to get it back clean. I like making my labels and predetermining where everything's going to go. That way I'm not guessing where everything went. Alrighty, y'all. So we have the dwarf Kelly Green that we are starting with. It says to plant them about 1/4 of an inch deep. My my little apparatus that I have to plant them appropriately, I cannot find. I've ordered another one, so I'm hoping it will come soon. But for these tomatoes, y'all, I only really want, since this is a dwarf style tomato, I only maybe want 2 at most. So I'm gonna plant 3 seeds. Oh, these seeds are not, there's not a whole lot of seeds in here. So I'm gonna plant 3 seeds here in this little cell. And I don't have a lot of room on my seed starting area, so I am having to put several seeds in one. So I'm going to go through and do plant all of these. All of these seeds need to be 1/4 of an inch deep. So I'm going to speed you all up as I get all of these seeds started. This is the last of the dwarf seeds. And I think, well, we got orange hat as well to put in here. Most of the dwarf seeds are going to go into my green stock. Orange hat, I may put into the green stock. I may also put in my hydroponic system in the house as well. And I do have some like smaller planters that I could also put some of the dwarf plants in. All right, so I think I grabbed all of, so we got Super Sweet 100. Now, really, I only want one of these Super Sweet 100s, but I think I'm gonna drop 3 seeds in here. This black cherry was very, very prolific last year. It served me well. So for each of these tomatoes, like I said, I really only want like one plant because it's all I really have space for. Um, but I think I'm going to do 3 seeds per cell, just in hopes that at least one of those seeds germinate. I really hate using this thing, y'all. I can't wait till my other thing comes. All right, y'all. I thank y'all for joining me on this seed starting journey, starting tomatoes, basil, and one lonely pepper here 8 weeks before my last frost date. Join me in the next video when we plant lettuce. All right, y'all. I hope to see y'all in the next video. All right. Until then, make sure you take care of yourself and get your hands in this dirt to make you feel just a little bit better. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.